focus. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and we're at Mike's Tree Farm today. Are you excited?
Yeah, I got a haircut.
He did get a haircut. Big boy. Hey, Axel, what are we doing?
Good.
What are we doing? Are you gonna see the Easter Bunny? At Mike's farm.
I remember tiny shoes by the front door, sticky hands pulling me down to the floor. Said Daddy looked like it couldn't wait. I was tired, thought I had time to waste. Now the days keep slipping through my hands like sand I didn't know I had. Every laugh is borrowed.
Oh, look at the Easter cupcake.
Every moment flies. You don't see it coming till it's waving goodbye. Take my heart, don't break it. Take this moment, don't waste it. 'Cause these days don't stay, they just pass us by. Hold them close, don't trade it. Every second sacred. Blink once, it's gone. Yeah, time don't wait on nobody. Take my heart, don't break it. Bedtime stories, one more light, just 5 more minutes every night. I'd say tomorrow I'll slow down. Didn't know tomorrow runs out. Now they're taller than yesterday, and I swear I just heard them learn their name. Photographs don't warn you when the seasons change. One day you'll carry them, next day they're walking away. Take my heart, don't break it. Take this moment, don't waste it. 'Cause these days don't stay, they just pass us by. Hold them close, don't trade it. Every second sacred. Blink once,
Baby,
it's
go.
gone. Yeah, time don't wait on nobody. Someday they'll pack up dreams in boxes, chase their own wild chances, and I'll smile, but inside I'll
What is it?
pray that I
Where are
love them loud along the way.
What are they?
Breathe. If I could stop the clock tonight,
Careful.
I pet.
I know. No, get off the fence.
I'd stay right.
Alright, good morning, everybody. It's Easter Sunday. We went to Mike's farm. We had a great time with the kids. And today we have church. And I'm currently just empty the dishwasher. I'm loading it up now. I got done. We're having a Easter egg hunt after church. And they're also having a potluck. So let me show you what I made. I made a cream cheese dirt cake with pudding and like the Easter egg candies. And I'm about to, I'm also cooking breakfast right now. So I got some baskets in the oven and some sausage. I'm gonna make some eggs, make some biscuit sausage and eggs. The kids, I had made them some pancakes. Axel made a concoction this morning with the leftover cream cheese stuff.
$15.95 eggs.
Yeah, whatever he said. So I'm also about to make, I think, some mac and cheese. So yeah, so this is just a continuation from yesterday. All right, mac and cheese is out of the oven, dressed for church. The family's dressed for church. We're not gonna do a taste test today or right now. But whenever we sit down and do our potluck, I'll film a little something because that mac and cheese is gonna be delicious.
Yeah, and I'm a little bored for that mac and cheese, but I think it will be good.
It's gonna be delicious. All right, everyone from YouTube, we're on the way to where?
Sure.
We're on the way to church. Everybody's all dressed up. We got the dessert we made, and I also got the mac and cheese. If you watch my mac and cheese video, that's coming to church with us today also. So, yep. And then we got, what's after church?
Easter egg hunt.
An Easter egg hunt.
It won.
So I just dropped the food off to the gymnasium. Dropped Jerry and the kids off first. And now I'm going into church.
So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Are you set?
Yes. Yeah.
Not yet.
Are you set?
Yeah.
Go!
Go. Look at both of them baskets. Oh, ladybug.
Ladybug.
So we just got done eating. Axel's eating.
The beaker.
Yeah. Did you get a lot of eggs? Was the food good?
I got 107.
Was the food good? Was Dado mac and cheese good? I made the best. All right. That's what's left over from my dessert I made. And then the mac and cheese. I got a half a mac and cheese left. So y'all, that's the end of this video. We got tons of eggs we gotta go through with the kids. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Happy Easter.